English conversation about bird sitting.
Hi, Garrett. Are you coming home tomorrow or on Tuesday?
Tomorrow. Thank you for taking care of my house and my bird.
You're welcome.
Is everything okay at the house?
Well, I have bad news. Your bird flew out of the window.
What?
The cage door was open.
How did that happen?
It opened when the cage fell.
What? Why did it fall?
Well, your bed fell through the floor and hit the cage.
How did that happen?
Well, there was a lot of water on the floor.
Water? Why was there so much water?
Well, I used water to stop the fire.
You started a fire?
But only on the second floor.
What did you do?
I think it was because of the meditation candles.
Meditation candles?
Oh yeah, I started taking meditation classes. Anyway, I can take care of your house next month too. Hello? Garrett, are you still there?